Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 15 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find System and Update. Then let's go to Backup and Reset, and here we've got the option Reset Phone, so let's tap. And as you can see at the top, we've got the option we're looking for, so Reset Network and Bluetooth Settings. So let's tap on it. And here we have to verify our identity. We can either use a regular screen lock or fingerprint sensor if you've got one. I mean, if you've got the fingerprint added. And here our device will inform us what it will actually reset. So just tap on Reset if you're ready. Be aware you cannot undo this action. And as you can see, we've got this information that the network settings have been reset successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.